Hey guys, today I will be showing you how to sneak by your cat. And if your cat's deaf, then this will be really easy for you because my cat's deaf. So start at base. This should be base for you. This is base. Base is really high. There is a cushion. There is the door that can open, right? This is base right here. This is called base. Have to roll by. Don't spook her. Oh, I'm big, so this is hard. I roll it right to you. Maybe I didn't roll right to you, but I at least rolled. Now, I'm going to do it without any words. And remember, so the hand with my watch is by the cat. So that's left, that's right. Okay. If you're silent, then if your lessons on Spanish, then instead of English, you just don't try. If you're English, rhyme. Okay. That was good. That was really funny. And I can have voices, but I'm not. There's extra abilities. I can do extra abilities. Here. If your cat's deaf, you can do this. I meant to do this one day, but just gotta keep the cat. Where's Quinn? Oh, yeah. 1 second. I'm just gonna go get my dog. So you guys, let me see this. This is kind of a pet video. Okay, that was a big fail. I'll show you my camera. Right now we're in a video. Looks like a black cat. Can't see it. She's a cool cat. Can you see her? Can you? This black thing is my cat. That was really so my cat. I'm just gonna lock her. So that was a really fun adventure. But there are more videos. There are kind of more videos. Thank you for Gam Gam, Kyle, Lacey, Violet, Jenny, Pop Pop, Nene, Darla, and Uncle Steve, and Bria, Zoe, me, my cat, my dog, Dad, and Mom, Jeff and Liz, here, and Grandma, Miss Moody, Miss Brooks, and my principal, and thank you guys for watching today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye! See ya! And remember, sneak by your cat without bothering. Remember, we're going to go through this one more time, and then I'm going to do this. Face. Start where the cat is, and like roll. Then get on your feet, and then start to roll. I'm coming. So remember, stay safe and play with your cat and dog. And one thing to do when your cat's sleeping is sneak by her. Bye!